Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your EasyTurn 360 2-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using the vehicle seat belt. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and store them away. The infant supports are for rear-facing use only. To install your seat, it must be rotated into the rear-facing position. Slide and hold the blue trigger, then pull out on the gray lever and rotate the seat in either direction until it is in rear-facing mode. Check the turn lock indicator on the side of the base and ensure it is green, indicating it is locked into position. Store the lower anchor connectors in the storage compartment in the seat base. Next, unhook the tether strap and lay it over the anti-rebound panel. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Next, pull the recline handle on the front of the base and place the car seat in any of the 4 reclined positions. Place the tether strap out of the way. You will attach it at the end. Pull the gray lever to open the snug lock lock-off. Thread the vehicle seat belt under the snug lock lock-off and out the other side. Buckle the seat belt. On the buckle end of the vehicle seat belt, make sure both the lap and shoulder belt are routed under the lower belt guide. On the other side, make sure the shoulder belt is under the shoulder belt guide and the lap belt is under the lower belt guide. Check that the straps are flat and not twisted. To tighten the vehicle seat belt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Close the snug lock lock-off firmly until you hear a click. Extend the tether by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten the tether strap to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the sides of the base where the vehicle seat belt is and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, open the snug lock lock-off, remove more slack from the strap, close the snug lock lock-off, then retest for tightness. Now, lock the vehicle seat belt. In most vehicles, slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it go back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt to ensure it is locked. Turn the seat by sliding and holding the blue trigger and pulling the gray lever. Rotate the seat in either direction to forward-facing mode. Check that the turn lock indicator is green to ensure it is securely locked into place. Move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.